How are you getting on with lockdown?
I think we've been doing great. Experiencing like new things, trying new things that we haven't done besides dancing, so I'm having a good time.
I'm an only child, so my whole life was lockdown.
Okay.
Do you have any daily routines, habits that help you feel good? I have to meditate every morning, and I have to wake up every morning at the same time. I'm a very routines kind of person that just gets my mental real straight. And that meditation is available. Check out the link. Ching.
Yeah, I'll sometimes do his meditations. I need to do it every day.
Yep.
But I love to do yoga, and other than that, whatever just kind of comes that day. Yeah. I like to paint too. It's fun.
Why and when did you start to dance?
I was 3 years old. My mom put me in dancing, and then I guess I just loved it and stuck with it my entire life.
I was 11 and my grandma made me tap dance because I was getting fat. In your personal opinion, what makes a dancer unique? I'll answer this one. I think every person has their own uniqueness, their like superpower, their little special gift, and it's up to us to discover that gift and then like
show the world that gift.
Show the world that gift. Yeah, and especially like when you really just embrace your uniqueness, it just really and love your uniqueness. It just radiates through your dancing.
Yeah, and I think that kind of goes with one of like my favorite pieces of advice is like, don't try to be another dancer. Always try to be the best you that you can be. And I know that's, embracing your uniqueness. So yeah.
Fire.
Lit.
What's your favorite choreography you've done? Ooh.
Oh, that we've choreographed?
I think so.
Mine was my most recent, the Tory Lane's Beauty and the Bends. That was fun. I only taught it once, so maybe I'll do it again.
That's a really good one.
Thank you.
Me, that's really hard for me to
I have one
answer. Which one?
I like Good Kinda Crazy, or the Good Crazy.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a fun one. But I think one of my all-time favorites would have to be The Evils by Sir.
Oh yeah.
That one hit different.
He likes that.
Who's been your favorite artist to perform with and why?
Oh, you go first. I don't think I have a favorite.
Yeah.
I have favorite moments.
Yeah.
Like doing Party on stage with Chris Brown was pretty legendary for me.
Yeah, and I'm just gonna go to the next question because that's pretty lit. What is your proudest accomplishment? Shoo!
You go.
I think, honestly...
Oh!
What?
Maintaining, like, such an awesome relationship with you by being in the dance industry at the same time, because it's hard. And we're killing it, and I love you, and
I love you
you're
too.
great. And we're just happy.
We are, yes.
It's an accomplishment.
Yes. Honestly, how we've been handling this whole quarantine, I'm really proud of that because, the whole dance world, a lot of industries are just flipped upside down, and the way that we're able to just kind of maintain our sanity, stay creative, and also just kind of build our brands in different ways as well too. Being internationally renowned, do you find it tough to keep on top of the industry, and why? Yes. That's so hard to see ourselves as whatever.
I don't even know how to answer that.
So I think there is a pressure that definitely comes with social media of like constantly creating, constantly posting, constantly pushing your stuff out there, and it's everyone's pressured by that, even if you don't think you are. But I genuinely, it's really important for me to refill my cup and take time for myself. Like during this quarantine, I didn't let myself choreograph for like 3 or 4 weeks, which was a really, really big deal for me. I just had to change my relationship with dance to like fall in love with dance. So I've just been like dancing for myself on my own terms. And I love to practice. I love to train. I love learning new styles. I think it's when you stop learning, or you lose that desire to learn and grow. That's when you start to plateau, and that's no good. What were your favorite moments during your experience at Ibiza Dance Platform?
Oh,
I loved Ibiza Dance Platform. You guys were amazing. It was the funnest work vacation.
Yeah, that
I've
was like
ever
the Bay
done.
work vacation.
Yeah, and one of the craziest moments that we always tell our friends is when we went paddle boarding, and you guys were like, "Oh, it's jellyfish season," and then we look down and there's like 200 jellyfish that sting and can hurt you.
Yeah, it was also fun, like being able to walk to the place where Ibiza Dance Platform was being held from our hotel. Like, it was a nice walk for us every day to and from class, and the fact that we were just like walking in a beautiful new place that I've never been. It was your first time too, right?
Yeah.
Maybe. It was awesome, and then the energy in the room. There's people from out of the country too that came, right?
Yeah, a lot of
Yeah, and it was just a super awesome vibe. It was really hot. We were sweating, but it was great for me because we were working out.
Yeah.
But yeah, the energy all around there is just so amazing, and hopefully we'll see you guys there again.
Yeah, it's that camp is, just
It's great.
Yeah, it's different, and it'll just always stick out on the top of my memory because everything about it is beautiful. The people, the students. It was hot though. It was really hot. Okay.